my name is Nagraj Shet from Kumta to this time issue is a local cook and hen. So this meat and egg. This egg is more calcium and vitamin, more calcium, and this generation ready-made egg is so no less calcium. That is local egg calcium is more calcium and better bone growth, and meat is more calcium, and that's the growth is providing more calcium in growth 1 year 2 years. And that meat is ready-made meat chicken is so 7 week is only, and that local cook and hen is meat is so more calcium and minerals is more benefit, more health is better, and that generation is so local hen and cook. And this generation chicken is heat, chicken body heat, this body heat, and is no better health. And this generation is healthy problem, and this chicken eating is more problem, and that's provide is ready providing is less calcium, and that local chicken and local hen and meat is more calcium, and egg is more calcium and better health, and old generation people is strong, healthy, strong, and bone strong. In the bone strong is in the local chicken and eating and providing more calcium and better health, and local chicken, local cook and meat is more better health and bone strong. And this generation chicken, every people is this generation chicken is most dangerous, and in 7 week this growth, and that chicken, local chicken, 2 years and 1.5 years in the growth is more timing, and this less timing, and is the more calcium providing local chicken is better health. Old generation people is strong. This generation people is so weak because it's that's local this ready-made chicken is so healthy for problem, and that side effect and injection providing providing, so that's the side effect. And this chicken and that local chicken is more benefit and better health, and this issue.